it's Toridori. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please press the like button and subscribe. Today I'm going to be doing a face mask tutorial. I know I took a long break, but I'm back now. Let's get started. Here I'm going to be doing a glitter mask, peel off gel mask. Scent strawberry scented. Sweet strawberry scented. You should leave this on for about 15 to 10 minutes until it's completely dry. And here it is. Let's put some on. It smells very good. And it's a clear one, so you can't see that well. I put it on, but you can't see it that well because it's clear. And now, since we're done putting it on, you have to wait 15 minutes. Now, I'm going to show some things that I got for Christmas. So what I got for Christmas, well, one of the things I got for Christmas is a LOL doll. And it's a surprise one, and it's a spy one. And this is what she looks like. With the LOL doll, you can have these little, you see these little buttons here. They open a lock, and every lock you can put something in there. And it comes with a code. So in here I have sunglasses. And in here I have a water bottle. And what I got for Christmas as well, I got some makeup brushes for a makeup tutorial. I have a raspberry scented body lotion, and it has a picture of Jojo Siwa. And I also got these two. I got two boy Barbies. This is one. This is the first one. And this is the second one. And I also got a book called The Secret Garden, and a book called Kendall's Snow Fort. Those are just some of the things I got for Christmas, but I have a lot more. Now I'm going to wait 15 minutes. Now it's time to take my face mask off. Make sure you don't put it near your eyes or else it might hurt or sting. You could use a washcloth to take it off, or you could peel it. And if you're going to use a washcloth, you should put warm water on it.